Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to increase Instagram engagement. So first of all, you open up the Instagram app. Once you've opened it up, now here's some things you need to know. Instagram engagement, or increasing Instagram engagement, is a multifaceted process that requires a consistent and strategic approach. Here's a comprehensive breakdown of key strategies. Number 1, content is king and queen. High quality visuals. Invest in good lighting and clear high resolution photos and videos. Maintain a consistent visual aesthetic that aligns with your brand or personal style. Varied content. Mix up your content with photos, videos, views, and stories. Experiment with different formats to see what resonates with your audience. Provide value. Share content that is informative, entertaining, or inspiring. Offer tips, tutorials, behind-the-scenes glimpses, or relative stories. Number 2, engage your audience. Respond to comments and DMs. Actively engage with your followers by responding to their comments and direct messages. Show that you value their input. Ask questions. Encourage interactions by asking questions in your captions and stories. Use polls and quizzes in your stories to gather feedback. Run contests and giveaways. Everybody loves giveaways. Host contests and giveaways to incentivize engagement. Ensure the prizes are relevant to your audience. Utilize Instagram stories. Use interactive stickers like polls, quizzes, and question boxes. Share behind-the-scenes content and personal updates. Go live. Host live Q&A sessions, tutorials, or casual chats with your followers. Live videos foster a sense of real-time connection. Collaborate with other Instagram accounts that have similar audiences. This will expose your account to new potential followers. Optimize your strategy. Number 3, use relevant hashtags. Research and use relevant hashtags and increase discoverability. Mix popular and niche hashtags. Post at optimal times. Identify when your audience is most active and schedule your posts accordingly. Instagram Insights can help you determine the best posting times. Analyze your insights. Regularly review your Instagram Insights to understand what content performs best. Use the data to refine your strategy. Consistency. Maintain a consistent posting schedule. This lets your followers know when to expect your content. Reels. Instagram is pushing Reels very heavily, so creating good, engaging reel content is very important. Number 4, community building. Engage with other accounts. Like and comment on posts from other accounts in your niche. Build relationships with other creators and influencers. User-generated content, UGC. Encourage your followers to create and share content related to your brand or niche. Repost UGC to your own account. Key considerations. Authenticity. Be genuine and authentic in your interactions. Patience. You need to be patient. Building engagement takes time and consistent effort. Don't expect to build engagement in just a day. It takes months. Adaptability. Stay up to date with Instagram's algorithm changes and adapt your strategy accordingly. By implementing the strategies, you can significantly increase your Instagram engagement and build a thriving community.